Shoe game fucking crazy. Shoe game on 10,000. You bitches have no idea where I come from. I'm a fucking lifestyle. That's what I am. Swiffer wet jet. Fucking hit your bitch in the socks. I'm about to
I'm about to reveal my biggest beauty secret ever! Everybody, it's my eye and anything cream, meaning I and anything. All right, and during the break, we had some really hunky boys that brought out these very special boxes to our studio audience. And inside the boxes is my super duper no-fell skin-saving eye and anything cream. Yeah! So on the count of 3, I want you to all open them together. Are you ready? Yeah! Drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3. Open them, open them, open them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about L. Ron Hubbard and how he stole Christmas.
Do you mean croissant? Because croissants make me sad. Croissant. I can't do that impression. I don't even mean to do the Carl Weezer impression on purpose. Croissant. I can't. I still can't do it.
Shawty's like a melody in my head and I can't keep her out. She's got me singing like non and non-nos every day. It's like my iPod's stuck on replay.
Right. Right. Yes. Absolutely. Yes. Right. Oh, okay. Okay. Right. Yes. Right. Right. Absolutely. 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 Yes. Right. 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 Yes. Yes. Oh, no. No. Absolutely. Right. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right. Yeah. No. Oh. Right. Yes. Right.
Oh, this is my hat. This is my hat. This is my hat. This is my hat. This is my roar. This is my hat. This is my roar. This is my roar. This is my roar. This is my.
Can't take it like them seriously.
Because you're making big drama.
I'm making big drama? I'm making big drama? So you think what you're doing is okay? Seriously? No, but I'm sick and tired of it. I'm sick and tired of it. Of the disrespect. Stop disrespecting me. Stop disrespecting me. Stop talking to people when I'm outside doing what I have to do. Embarrassing me in front of other people. Stop!
Doja, will you just enunciate a little bit better so that the people in the back can hear you? You're a little further off from the audience, so this time you have to enunciate a little bit more. Not the bang yang, the bang yang. Oh, Doja, can you just enunciate a little bit more when you perform on stage, because they're going to be very far from you, so just enunciate more.
day to night to morning. Keep working.
Hey guys, I know that like the last video was kind of weird. A couple people asked me to blink twice if I'm okay, so I thought maybe I should make this video and blink a bunch of times just to let you know I'm more than okay. I'm super duper normal, and I'm having a really good time these days.
That's good. That's good. Will you do that one more time for me?
Fuck no, not the bang yang, the bang yang. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, doo doo doo. All right, guys, here's this riddle challenge. Hopefully you get it right. Did the frog wear the shoes, or did the man fuck the frog? When did they both horny? Was it today? Hey, Mom, do you mind if I stomp on your tits? Hey, Mom, do you mind can I walk on your fucking big fat Bahama Mama knocker fucking juice jugs, you dumb fucking human? Can I just stomp on your... You fucking pay attention to me, you son of a bitch. If you don't watch me dance, I'll destroy your whole family.
Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Ah. Yes. When the night is young and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by.
Double jointed bitches be like, girl, you need to stop. Stop it. Just stop. All I'm saying is, why do bitches on Bad Girls Club go, bitch, I heard you talking about me, and then now you want to act all buddy-buddy. And then the other bitch is like, bitch, I don't give a fuck about you. Suck my dick. I don't give a fuck. And then the other bitch is like, yeah, well, whatever, bye. And then they're not friends anymore. Like, bitch, you could have just been like, you know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? I'm going to try to do one of those abruptly cut scream videos, a perfectly cut scream. So here we go. Ah! Shit. Ah! Ah! Some would call me prestigious. I don't beg to differ. Oh, I'm just enjoying a glass of wine in my crystal glass, watching Bad Girls Club. Yes. How are you? Nice to meet you. What the fuck? Oh my god. I didn't eat any breakfast. Then I took a wellness shot. And my stomach's on fire. What? Stomach's on fire. What? Stomach's on fire. What? My stomach's on fire. What?
Hey guys. This morning, I saw my mom get juiced. And then my dad fell out of a tree.
Hey, I know you want to try it. I know you just want to bite. I know you just want to bite. Yeah, you do.
Baby, wake up. Baby.
I'm trying to sleep.
Baby, I had a dream your wig was on right. Hey, baby, wake up. You're so beautiful when you wake up.
What, babe? Stop it.
Why don't you want to wake up, girl? I know you look pretty.
Well, why do you want? Why you?
Whatever will I do now?